Chalo, chalo.
Did it work?
I think so. Yeah, it's flashing, so do 1, 2, 3. Help with the sinking. Wicked radio, Golf, Victor, Golf, Alpha, Golf. We're on the apron. Request effort information and radio check, please.
Golf, Victor, Golf, Alpha, Golf. Readability 5. We're on runway 06 left hand, and the QNH is 1043.
1043, 06 left hand, and we'll taxi Alpha 3 initially. Golf, Alpha, Golf.
Golf.
Brakes off.
I like that. You can't follow the yellow line. Otherwise you're bloody...
Yeah, you hit it. Golf, Alpha 3 to Alpha 1.
Roger.
Okay, that's done. Cabin heat, that's brakes holding. 1700.
Victor Golf, low downwind.
Yeah.
So alternator charging, that's fine. Heat on. Navigation lights already on. Landing light on. That's probably the highest QNH I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's it. That's up there.
Some high pressure there, isn't it?
We have a thing when it gets to 1050. Which I've never seen.
Flight control. Perfect. Trim is set for off. Your trim there as well? In the Airbus? Is it like that? No, it's different.
About why I said trim is for itself. Otherwise we have like a wheel.
Yeah.
Where do you trim on this? Ah, okay. No.
Okay, autopilot is disconnected. Everything looks good. So we'll backtrack runway 06, turn around, apply full power with brakes holding because it's a short runway, rotate at 65, and then we'll climb out about 80-85. Once we get to 1,000 feet, then we'll flaps up and flaps becomes available. After takeoff, that's a Pilatus, I think.
Yeah, that looks.
So after takeoff, it's a left turn. Here, Jagan.
Hey, looks close, doesn't he? Coming down at a rate of knots, but there we
go. He's got space on the grass. Arato maybe.
Victor Golf, wind 07011 knots.
Victor Golf.
Okay, he's that plane's too big for this.
I was going to say, what the hell are you doing here?
American D Lima, roger.
As soon as we take off, that's left turn for noise abatement, avoiding the town.
We've got to stay until...
if we have any emergency, any problems on takeoff roll, we'll put power to idle, apply full braking, stop on the runway. If we have engine failure after takeoff,
you want me to park next to the...
if it's below 500 feet, we'll look for field, 15 degrees, it will be to the left, because nothing to the right. If it's above 500 feet, then we can use caps, so we can pull the cap, parachute. That's it. Any questions?
How do I, you know the intercom voice, that's really, really loud. How do I turn that?
So if I turn this down,
the radio is really quiet, but the...
Our radio is really loud.
Radio is really quiet, but your voice is really...
Government Bravo, Wickham Radio 06, left hand, QP 1023, fixed wing and helicopter circuits active.
06 left hand, 1023, copy,
looking for traffic, Golf, Bravo.
Oh, excellent.
Wickham Radio, Fire 1, responding to crash alarm, press detail.
Wickham Radio, Fire 1, we've got a standby, we've got a student Golf Charlie Echo that's bounced and is coming inbound, POB 1. If you could go to nearest hold point Alpha 1, at the moment traffic to effect, we have one aircraft at Alpha 1. And also one aircraft just landing at 06.
Wickham Radio on standby, one POB at Alpha 1.
If we do have emergency, I'll probably ask you to take radios, and then I'll do...
Yeah, of course.
Like, and the checklists are here as well, emergency checklist.
Yep, no worries. Got a nice tarmac runway as well. Oh, masterful.
Okay, ready? Set. Full power set, brakes holding.
Go 5 Bravo, 30 miles, runway 06 to land, visual 1 on.
Okay, engines ground,
Go 5 Mike Bravo, finals, 06 to land.
Go 5 Bravo, wind 07011 knots, 1 on the rollout.
Okay, airspeed's allowed to go 65. Golf Alpha Golf is go. Okay, 1,000 feet. Flaps coming out, speed's good. Flaps up. Flaps available. You can see all the fog there, look.
Yeah, in that valley, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's done well to be a higher up aerodrome. Got TCAS on here as well.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't give you resolution read.
No, of course.
But
yeah. The aircraft there, and it's...
I'm under control, yeah, left base, now for
Mike, November X-ray, roger.
Golf Victor Golf, we're departing to the south and request frequency change to Farnborough 125250.
Golf, Victor Golf, Alpha Golf, roger.
So fuel pump is off, cruise power set, mixture, because we're going to climb. Farnborough radar, good morning, Golf Victor Golf, Alpha Golf, request a basic service.
Golf Victor Golf, Alpha Golf, Farnborough radar, pass message.
Golf Victor Golf, Alpha Golf is a Cirrus SR20 Wickham to Leon Solent. We're currently just left Wickham at 2,300 feet to QNH 1043. We'll request a basic service and ODM max penetration as well, please.
Alpha Golf, QNH correct, basic service, squawk 0432.
Basic service, squawk 0432, Golf Alpha Golf.
It's amazing.
Yankee, traffic left 11 o'clock, 4 miles, similar to slower than you, looks also to be in the Blackbush, similar level.
Yankee traffic.
Funny to see it from the sky, isn't it? I mean, you probably see it all the time, but...
Yeah, it's a different view though, you know, when you're down here.
Yeah.
Nice. At 36,000 feet, it'll same you
Yeah. And Golf Alpha Golf is going to climb to 3,000 feet.
Golf Alpha Golf, roger.
How have things been? Good?
Good, yeah. Been a bit of a quiet week, this one.
Yeah. You're free on Monday and you're free today.
Good morning.
Surprising.
So I've got part-time now.
Okay, so how many hours do you have to do?
It's never really hours thing, more of a day's thing now.
1300 foot on 107
but yeah, it was just getting a bit much.
Requested basic service en route from French Common to Damon's Hall, route into Petersfield with Crowthorne, then up to Damon's Hall. Requested basic service, please. Golf Oscar Sierra.
What do you normally cruise at?
Sierra QNH is 104.
Depends, obviously if I'm higher part than 10,000. But otherwise, round here, maybe 3, 4. You're kind of restricted to 2.5 with a lot, especially going down. The closer you go to Heathrow, of course.
Left 10 o'clock, 2 miles, left to right, same level.
Traffic not sighted, looking off Charlie Foxtrot.
And
Golf Bravo Oscar Whiskey Yankee, requesting frequency change to Blackbush 122.5.
So cruising speeds.
Golf Whiskey Yankee, radar service.
So, at about 10,000 you can get 145.
Security, thank you very much for the service.
But, yeah, here probably about 130.
Golf November
Yeah.
Delta, request frequency change to Boston Zone on 126.705.
Lovely. God, I'm so glad you messaged me.
Yeah. I was meant to take a friend actually. He's come from India.
Ah.
But he just said he was too busy, so I thought, I want to go. I haven't, I'm going to Dubai next Saturday, so and then he's going for his annual, so I'm not going to get a chance.
You're going to Dubai on the 15th?
Yeah.
16th, did you?
Oh, really? How long for?
1 week.
Oh, same.
Salas.
Whereabouts are you staying?
Raffles.
Oh, that's close to us. I think we're in Rixos. We're in the Palm.
Oh no, we're not doing anything like that. Raffles in the city.
Oh, in the city. Okay, fine.
Rixos on the Palm is lovely. We went for my dad's 60th there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my whole family's going. So my parents, my sister, my family.
So we had everybody going for that, and they did this really nice thing. They're like, oh, so you've got 5 rooms? Yeah. How about we just put you all in one?
Oh, wow.
They gave this massive
Oh, that's really nice.
suite, 5-bedroom suite with its own pool and everything.
Oh, wow.
It was so nice they were. And that was just before, and we came back, and then they went into lockdown 3 days later.
Oh. I think we went to the US just before lockdown as well. Yeah, from go on, you can have a go. So to disconnect autopilot, just press on the button. Yeah, yeah. Bit harder. Maybe.
Nice.
Golf Alpha Golf, just confirming max penetration was approved for the ODM stamp.
Golf Alpha Golf, A7, you can route through the sub.
Roger, Golf Alpha Golf, thank you. 2175.
175.
How does it feel in terms of...
I've just done a little bit, so I can't really much yet, but it's okay. It's nice. I've not done much VFR flying in the UK.
Oh, have you done all America?
All in America. Here was all really IFR. A little bit VFR. 90% all IFR out of Oxford. How do you find it? Do you like it? The way it
Yeah, I love this one. It's really nice. Can you drop us down to 2,000, just so that we don't have to speak to Southampton?
Sure. Bring the power back then?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Golf Alpha Golf, just descending to 2,000 feet, QNH 1043.
Golf Alpha Golf, Roger.
What do you aim for, sort of rate of descent?
500 feet is good. So, Leon Solent, basically at sea level.
Yep.
Circuit is 1,000 feet. Going to be a left hand, so we'll probably join downwind. And there's a bit of noise abatement, but yeah, it should be pretty straightforward.
Yep.
5 for you. So just in case you're missing it.
All stations, Farnborough broadcast, New Farnborough QNH 1042, New Farnborough QNH 1042, Farnborough.
So nice to do after so long, you know?
Yeah, because it's so different, I'm guessing, right, from what you do.
I mean, the basics of flying are the same.
Yeah.
Even you'd come and do it, but just to do this, you know, pitch and all this stuff like that.
So you could take a bit more of a southerly heading now, because this there.
I'll try and go around this cloud a little bit.
Yeah. Golf Alpha Golf, would like to change frequencies to Lee information 118930.
Golf Alpha Golf, squawk conspicuity and free call, bye-bye.
Squawk VFR and free calling, leave Golf Alpha Golf.
This is now my world.
Is it?
One
Yeah.
person flying, the other one doing the radio.
When I fly with friends or pilots, we generally do, well, in the old plane we used to do that, because you'd have to hand fly it. But in this one, you don't mind, because it's got the autopilot, so one person can do everything. Especially if I'm IFR, because a lot of my friends, they don't fly in the airway, so it's harder for them to do the radio.
Yeah, okay, yep.
I think once you get used to it, it's fine, but initially it's a bit daunting, because
Exactly,
there's so many people speaking and it's fast. New information, good morning, Golf Victor Golf Alpha Golf inbound, we're 10 miles to the north, request airfield information.
Golf Alpha Golf, for the information, reability 5, operator runway 05 left hand circuit, QNH 1042, request your position.
05 left hand, QNH 1042, and we are just approaching Bishop's Walth, Golf Alpha Golf at 2000 feet.
Golf for Roger, report passing Wickham.
We'll go, Golf Alpha Golf. Landing checklist. So descent altimeter we've already set. Landing lights on. Fuel systems checked. Brake pressure, brakes are good. Seat belts are secure. And put fuel pump on, mix stretch. We'll do that after.
Got a spot that I fly over a lot, actually.
Oh really?
Whenever we come down to the, like, Canary Islands and stuff,
Yeah.
they're always coming part of the world. Then we go south from...
Golf Alpha Golf is at Wickham.
Alpha Golf, Roger, KFE 1041, report downwind runway 05.
1041 and we'll go Golf Alpha Golf.
A little bit choppy today.
Yeah. No, it wouldn't be, because when it's cold, normally it's okay.
Yeah, and high pressure and whatnot.
So can you just slow us down to 120 knots?
Okay.
And we can stick in one stage of flaps. You want me to take over?
You have control, yeah.
Have control.
Your bit now.
Golf Alpha Golf downwind for runway 05.
Golf, Roger, report final.
We'll go Golf Alpha Golf. Golf Alpha Golf turning final runway 05.
500.
Alpha Golf, runway 05, land at your discretion, wind 070 degrees 14 knots.
Landing Golf Alpha Golf.
400. 300. 200. 100.
Beautifully done.
Golf, welcome to leave for visitor parking.
FM Golf Alpha Golf.
Ready, 180 backtrack, and you're vacant at the very end onto Alpha Taxiway.
Okay, 180 and Alpha Taxiway, Golf Alpha Golf. I think there's something wrong actually with the rudders. Or full rudder for it to actually think.
Felt the sync right at the end and
Yeah.
put the power on, yeah. Universal, I'm afraid, no matter how big the plane is.
I'm putting full kind of right rudder to keep it straight. Right.
Oh,
now.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, maybe there is something then.